If you're watching this video, please hit the subscribe button. I need as many subscribers as I can get. And watch my long videos, please. This is the inside of an 18-wheeled truck. Here's the bunk. Has a double bunk that comes down to make a double bed, a bunk bed. Of course, you got the cabinets up here. Refrigerator. That's your refrigerator. Other cabinets on this side. There's your closet where you keep your shirts. Up here, another closet. Another spot down there. But anyway, that's what it looks like behind in the back of a truck.